We are going to refresh this using pressing the F5 button. This is checklist, only one checklist available at this time. We are going to add many checklists for your testing purpose. Press on the checklist because at this one you can also copy and many checklists available here. You can edit the which color you like, save, which TV you like, which printer you like. You can like this set. Done. Checklist circle color, you can set the circle color look like this. Checklist icon circle color like this. You can set the different type of setting according to your required. Press the save button and update button. After few seconds, system will be updating this page. We have pressed the refresh button. Done. System will be updated, but at this time not this color like I want to change the color into the white. Again go to checklist button, this, and going to change the checklist icon color, checklist icon color, check icon circle color, image color, divider, elementor, class. There is a going to add this media, this color because I want to change the white color. After a few seconds I am going to check the after refresh the button, maybe this will be update. Wait please because the system updating at this time and not complete their updating. Wait please. Like good, this will be working in. System will be change this color. You can also change the different type of color like this. We are going to add next element. Checklist contour down we are already check here. Google Map, you can also add the Google Map into your, you can add an address here. Your share is New York. New York USA. Satellite map, you can set the different zoom level. You can all set all setting which you are required. First of all we are going to set a little bit result. After this we can check the what output we are need and what we are required. Google Map, because there is no proper address available at this time, I am going to add another address here. We are find the best address from Google, like Google address of USA office. Downtown satellite address. Oh, what is this? Like we got use the different any type of address, but no available at this time. Like no any address available for us. Okay, you can use the Google Maps to add the address, like house number 1 Gulbarg Valley, AD, Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. This is my friend address. I am going to add this. Let's see system how to update or not this, because system update this setting. Here this circle will be show us the system are working on saving data. I am going to refresh the button. System the page cannot be loaded, Google Maps not connected. Okay, no problem. You can add this. Maybe we are working on computer, not you can add any portion, not element. If you don't need, click on the delete button. After the deleting, system will be delete this. Image before and after. You can set the two type of image here. Menu anchor here, one page text link. If you need any text here, like my contents, contacts, okay, save. Going to save this. After a few seconds we will be check. I am going to refresh the button. Where is okay, name of anchor, this is text or HTML code, this is I am show here. Save, update. Going to refresh button. This will be show here. My contacts, when we are click here, system will be moved to you your contacts. Like we can more working on this. System ID, why insert the text or code here, HTML code here. I think so more settings are need here. No problem, leave it. After this we are working on portfolio and progress bar. If your business need any progress bar, then you can click here. Progress bar unit you can set here. We need some progress bar because we have just, for example, first progress bar unit 90% and feeded area percentage 70%, field cover red and unfilled color run, script filling this, and after this progress bar text bar. Yeah, is there our text show here like job done on time. Save, update. Press the refresh button. Done. This is working here. You can add more to this type of here, like we are going to just copy this, system will be move this, update, system will be update this. Done. Many are available here. You can see on your screen many available here. You can change the text, or like you will be see on your screen how to change the text. I am going to change some setting. You will be see first, second, edit a 90%, save, second change 29%, next 50%, next one 10%. You can set the different type of setting according to your desire. System will be update this. Done. Different type of setting according to your desired system will be set on this. If you like more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for your watching.